A Gardener's Guide to the Nora Ixora. Sunshine, blooms, and a touch of pink. The Ixora Nora Grant has become a familiar sight in my garden. Its vibrant pink blooms are a constant source of cheer, adding a touch of the tropics to my little patch of paradise. But beyond the beauty, this flowering shrub is surprisingly easy to care for. Over the years, I've learned the secrets to keeping my Nora Grant Ixora thriving, and I'm here to share them with you. Sunshine is key. The Nora Grant Ixora is a sun worshiper. At least 6 hours of direct sunlight a day is what this beauty craves. In my experience, the more sunshine it gets, the more prolific the blooms become. If you live in a region with scorching afternoons, consider planting your Ixora in a location that receives dappled shade during the hottest part of the day. Nora Grant Ixora versus Super King Ixora. Nora Grant Ixora has been a standout in my garden for its vibrant red blooms and compact growth, while Super King Ixora, though also striking, tends to have a slightly larger stature and a more robust flower display, which I find adds a different dimension to my landscape. How high does the Ixora Nora Grant grow? This tropical shrub typically reaches a mature height of around 3 to 4 feet. Its compact size makes it a versatile addition to the garden. You can plant it as a border shrub, a foundation planting, or even use it to create a stunning, low-maintenance hedge. How far apart to plant Nora Grant Ixora? When planting multiple Nora Grant Ixoras, it's important to give them enough space to grow comfortably. Aim for a spacing of about 4 feet between each plant. This will allow for good air circulation and prevent overcrowding, which can lead to problems with pests and diseases. Blooming beauty throughout the year. One of the things I love most about the Nora Grant Ixora is its extended blooming season. In warmer climates, you can expect to see these beautiful pink clusters appear intermittently throughout the year. The heaviest blooms tend to occur during the warmer months, but don't be surprised by the occasional burst of color even in cooler periods. How to care for your Nora Grant Ixora. With a little TLC, your Nora Grant Ixora will reward you with years of vibrant blooms. Here are some basic care tips. Watering. Once established, your Ixora will need regular watering, especially during hot and dry periods. Aim to keep the soil moist, but not soggy. A good rule of thumb is to water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Feeding. During the growing season, a balanced fertilizer applied every few weeks can help to encourage healthy growth and abundant blooms. Pruning. While not essential, occasional pruning can help to maintain the shape of your Ixora and encourage bushier growth. Prune lightly after flowering to remove spent blooms and any leggy stems. Propagating Nora Grant Ixoras. If you want to expand your collection of Nora Grant Ixoras, propagation is a fun and rewarding option. Here's a simple method. Take stem cuttings from a healthy, mature Ixora plant. Choose non-flowering stems that are about 4 to 6 inches long. Remove the lower leaves from the cutting, leaving a few nodes exposed. Dip the cut end of the stem in rooting hormone, optional, but can improve success rate. Plant the cutting in a pot filled with a well-draining potting mix. Water thoroughly and keep the soil moist but not soggy. Place the pot in a warm location with indirect sunlight. With patience, your Ixora cutting should develop roots within a few weeks. Once established, you can transplant it into your garden. What to plant with your Nora Grant Ixora? The vibrant pink blooms of the Nora Grant Ixora pair beautifully with a variety of plants. Here are a few suggestions. Yellow flowering plants. Yellow lantana, yellow esperanza, or yellow dianthus create a cheerful contrast with the pink blooms. Purple flowering plants. Queen's crepe myrtle, lavender, or purple salvia add a touch of elegance to the garden. Silver foliage plants. Dusty miller or silver buttonbush provide a textural contrast and highlight the pink blooms. By following these simple tips, you can enjoy the beauty and ease of care that the Nora Grant Ixora offers. So, why not add a touch of the tropics to your own garden?